Hi guys, today I have a really easy cookie recipe for you for these delicious waffle cookies. These cookies are made in a waffle iron. They are really quick and easy to make, and today I'm gonna share with you two delicious options for cinnamon sugar waffle cookies and waffle cookies with chocolate and sprinkles. Let's get started with the recipe. You want to start with the butter and make sure that the butter is really soft. Then you want to add it to a big bowl with the sugar, the vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Then you want to mix it all with a mixer for about 3 minutes until nice and creamy. Then you want to add the eggs one at a time and mixing for about 30 seconds after each addition. Then once you've added the eggs, we can start adding the dry ingredients. I'm going to add in about half of the dry ingredients first, then just mix shortly on the low setting until it's almost combined. Then I'm going to add in the rest of the dry ingredients through a sieve and mix again just shortly until almost combined. Then I'm going to continue mixing with a spatula until everything is combined. After that, you want to chill the dough for at least an hour because this is a really soft dough. It needs to be chilled in order for you to form the cookie balls. Then once your dough has been chilled, it will be looking like this. Then you want to take a teaspoon of the dough and form the cookie balls with your hands. I suggest that you prepare the cookie balls before you start baking them in the waffle iron because the baking process goes really fast, and this way it makes it much easier for you to bake the cookies. Then you want to heat your waffle iron and bake the cookies. Mine took about 1.5 to 2 minutes to bake. I would suggest you keep an eye on them after about 1.5 minutes, and when they are nicely golden, like you can see here, that means they are ready. Then you want to remove them to a cooling rack and allow to cool completely before decorating. I'm going to decorate my cookies with two different toppings today. First, I'm going to make a cinnamon sugar coating for the cookies. For that, you want to mix the sugar with the cinnamon. You can add the cinnamon to your taste, and then you want to coat the cookies with the cinnamon sugar like I'm showing you here. For the second option, I decided to melt some dark chocolate and decorate the cookies with the dark chocolate and some sprinkles. You want the chocolate to be nice and liquid-like this, and then you want to dip the cookies into the chocolate and allow the excess to drip off. At the beginning, you will notice that it will take a little longer to drip off the excess chocolate. That's because the chocolate is really liquid-like, and this way you get a really thin layer of chocolate on your cookies. When the chocolate starts to cool, you will notice that it doesn't drip off as much, and this way you will have a thicker layer of chocolate on your cookies. If you prefer a thinner layer of chocolate on your cookies, you can reheat the chocolate and melt it again, and then continue decorating your cookies. Then you want to place the finished cookies on a parchment paper and allow the chocolate to set completely. After that, store your cookies in a cookie jar or a cookie container. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this really quick and easy cookie recipe. It's right on time for Christmas. It's also perfect for last minute cookie baking because the dough is quick and easy to make, and they are baked really quick in the waffle iron. And if you want, you can decorate them like I did with the cinnamon sugar and the chocolate with sprinkles, or you can also leave them completely without the decoration. They also taste really yummy without any decoration on them, or you can also be creative and make your own decoration. If you're going to make something completely different to what I did, I would love to hear that in the comments. Please feel free to share your creative idea with me. If you're looking for some more Christmas cookie inspiration, then I'm gonna link my other cookie recipes for you here. And also, if you're looking for some more Christmas recipe inspiration, then I'm going to link my Christmas recipes for you here. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget that thumbs up for support. And also, if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. I'm wishing you and your loved ones a lovely holiday season. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.